Oh. Ano siya unya nga. Ako lang rin na. Morning ko.
Okay.
Didn't work for us. Just dry hands.
Hey, how did you move the battery?
Wow.
Do it again, do it again. Nice, man.
Bakit ito sa palero?
I'll show you something. Show you something different. Okay?
I flash stop. Shift flash. Hey, chance edition here.
Take one card. Any one. Okay. You can show it to me. It doesn't matter. Okay. 10 of diamonds, right? So we'll take the 10 of diamonds. I'll place it here. Right. And just check the jokers. Check the front. Check the back. Okay, give me one by one. We have the red joker and we have the black joker. So this is your card, right? Swatch. Okay.
Yeah, 10 error. This guy is ML10. He pretends to be ML05.
I'll show you one since you're here. But I'm not supposed to have a lighter, but I have a lighter. No, I have. But, I mean, for me, it makes sense. Okay. No, I have. So, just like. Okay.
Bini.
Last one. Okay. So put it inside. Goes in the middle. Give it a shuffle. We'll give it slightly. Take out any other card. Okay. Now you can show that to everyone. Doesn't matter if I see. Okay. Now we'll use this card. Okay, to find your card, the 8 of diamonds. Can you give me your hand? 8 of diamonds. Okay. Put your hand on top. Can you keep your hand? Now just think of your card, the card that you picked. Use this.
Penidur ya.
This watch. Okay.
Penidur apa dengan ya?
Take a look.
Oh.